Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on my Dre app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you it's like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down, click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click down here. So then you come here to play image time. Click in this sign here or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean play image time. Disable with us now here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.